Do you want to have magnetic personality? Do you want to know the secret that why is it that some people magnetically pull people towards, whereas there are some people from whom you just want to run away? What is the secret? Hi friends, I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal excellence coach and communication expert, and on this channel I talk about communication, personality enhancement, living your best possible life. So if you're new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any new video. Now, video I'm going to share with you 5 tips that you can instantly use to develop magnetic personality, and if you are going to use these tips every single day, you will observe that people around you magnetically pull towards you. If you have magnetic personality, you can achieve more success, you can achieve your sales targets, you can easily impress people, you can easily convince them. Number 1, in order to develop magnetic personality, you must have high energy. Now, what is energy? Now, energy is something that can be felt. Right now I'm speaking with an energy, right? Let's say I speak, okay, let me share with you 5 tips to magnetic personality. Will you want to listen to me? Not really, right? So it's energy, the way you carry your, not just physical energy, but it is also an invisible energy that people can feel it, but they cannot see it. So how do you develop this energy? Once you are excited, once you are really happy, one age wherein I want to give something to the people, that's where you develop this energy. I remember I was in one of the events, and I was giving this event, and one of the CEO, he just asked me in the live sessions that, Neha, what is the secret of your energy? And I said that I'm doing something I really love, and I'm so excited when I do anything. That is the secret of my energy. So if you're passionate about something, if you love something from your heart and soul, from that's the place from where the energy comes. But if you are not putting that, then it will be very dull kind of personality that you have. And if you see the best of the best stars, when they carry themselves, why they are so powerful? Because what they are doing it, they just love it, and that's where they become very, very magnetic. Be energetic, where even when you're talking, show that energy, show that enthusiasm, show that you're excited, have that passion, and you will see that people are drawn towards you like a magnet. Tip number 2, positive vibes. So do you know that we are made in a way that if there is anything positive, we are drawn to that automatically. Example, do you like traveling? I love traveling. If you see any beautiful place, what happens? You say, wow, this is so nice, I would like to go there, I'd like to see those experiences, I would like to enjoy there. Why? Because it is something very positive. Nature is very positive, it is very attractive. So same is with humans also. If you see anyone who is very attractive, if you see anyone who is very positive, you will be pulled towards that person like a magnet. You will be like, oh my god, I want to know that person more, I want to connect to that person more. Okay, because positive energy is something that automatically draws people towards you. At the same time, if the energy is negative, then it's going to repel people away from you. Okay, so have you ever observed that if somebody is speaking a lot of negative stuff, this has happened wrong, that has happened wrong, usually people want to just move away from that place. Okay, so automatically we humans are designed in a way that anything positive we are drawn towards that, but anything negative we pull away from that. Okay, so the best is that you carry yourself with a lot of positivity. How do you carry yourself with a lot of positivity? Well, let me tell you, the way you go to gym to build your muscle, that way you have to train your mind in order to be positive. So just be more grateful in your life. Whatever you have, just be thankful for that. Appreciate life little more, appreciate people little more, focus on what is going right in your life rather than what is happening wrong in your life. If you're going to do this, you will develop an aura around you. It's an invisible field around you, which is a positive aura. What will happen? Automatically you will see that people are magnetically pulled towards you. If you're liking the video, then hit the like so that it reaches to maximum people. Also, if you would like to master the art of communicating and influencing people, then I'm doing the live workshop. You can register for the workshop. Link is there in the description box. Number 3, in order to have magnetic personality. Now let me tell you, this is so simple, but it is so rare. Okay, and that is smile. Yes, so you know what, again, what is a smile? It is a positive facial expression, and most of the time if you're going to smile, you're going to get it back. I've seen a lot of people, they're serious, so serious in life, life just takes over. There's so many problems happening in life. Well, let me tell you, it's with everyone. Everybody has problem, everybody has challenges. But the best gift that you can give to yourself, smile. No matter what is happening in your life, just smile. Because when you smile, again, you develop that positive aura, you develop that positive energy. And when other people see you smiling, they're drawn towards you. And the best example of this is, have you seen kids? Yeah, newborn babies, you love playing with them. Why? Because they're always in the joyful mood, they're always smiling, they're always full of bliss. That is the reason that we are magnetically pulled towards the energy of these kids. But as we grow older, life takes over and we forget to smile. So smile, take time to smile, see people around you. Smile that you're alive today. Smile that you are living in a human form. Smile. There's so many reasons to smile. Don't be so serious in life, okay? Life is too short to be so serious, okay? So just smile and you will automatically see, just by this one thing, you will pull people towards you like a magnet. Number 4. Now this is very beautiful and amazing tip that I want to give you, and if you are going to use this, I challenge you, I guarantee you, your life will never be the same. And that is, see, in order to be positive, you need to remove negativity from your life, okay? So if you will see anyone, even if you will see Bollywood stars and all, who are really doing really well, they never speak negative about anyone, okay? So try to never and ever speak negative about anyone. Just remove negativity from your life. Even if there is somebody who has not done that good in your life, just let it go, okay? Just let it go. Just refrain yourself from speaking negative. Refrain yourself from complaining. Refrain yourself from saying anything negative. Refrain yourself from being around negative people. One of the way to develop magnetic personality, which is so that people are coming towards you, is to remove yourself from anything negative. Negative people, negative environment, negative situations, negative words, anything that is happening negative in your life, just remove it. And I'm going to give you one activity if you can do that. So today, what you can do, that start this 21 days challenge from today. So for 21 days, what you have to see, you have to observe yourself. What are the words I'm using? What I'm saying, what I'm not saying. Okay? If you see that today, oh my God, I spoke 3 times, I spoke negative about this person. At least you are aware. So next time you get a chance to improve. Otherwise, what happens? People are just on the autopilot mode. We are just in the flow. We're just speaking. We don't realize what we're doing. So here you measure it. Okay. You just observe entire day. How many times I'm speaking negative? Was I with negative friend? Was I in the negative environment? Was I spoke negative? Only 3 things you have to observe: negative environment, negative people, or did I spoke negative? And once you start keeping track of it, what will happen? You will start improving it. The moment oh my God, today I was with negative people, tomorrow you will make an attempt that no, I don't want to be with negative people. Once you know, oh, today I spoke negative about this person, tomorrow you will be careful before speaking anything negative. Okay, so start doing this for next 21 days and you are going to thank me for this beautiful thing that you have got. And if you can do this, the moment the negativity goes out of your life, you are going to attract a lot of positivity in your life. That's the law of nature. And the 5th way to develop magnetic personality is very simple, very easy, but again very rare, okay? And that is focus on your dressing sense. Yes. So all the 4 points that I told you have been inner personality. Okay, the one people cannot see but people can feel, which is the personality. Also the way you look, the way your appearance is. I'm not saying your appearance should be of such and such kind. Your appearance should be something that you feel really good in. It should be something that you're really comfortable in, and it should be something that is in align to the occasions that you're going. So if you will see, again, I'm going to give you the example of celebrities. If you see, they spend lot on their dressing. Why do they do that? Because they know that how I'm wearing, the way I carry myself impacts people around me. Okay, and if you will see, let's say there are 2 people, in the mall also, if you're going to go, one person is dressed really well, other is not dressed well, you will automatically be pulled towards the person who is dressed really well, right? You are going to give attention. It means if you also want that attention, if you want to be magnetic, what you have to do, you have to invest in yourself. Just try out different colors, just wear different dresses that makes you feel so good, and dress as per the occasion. Let's say if you're going in an event or a function, you have to dress accordingly. If you are in an office party, then dress accordingly. If you are wearing everyday casual, then dress accordingly. Just focus on your dressing and you will be easy for you to magnetically pull people towards it. I hope guys that this video was helpful. If yes, then hit the thumbs up. And also, if you're somebody who would like to master art of communicating, develop magnetic personality and influence people, then I do live workshops. You can click on the link below, register for the workshop, and I'm going to see you there. Bye bye.